Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would connect your phone to your 2012 Toyota Camry. To be able to connect your phone to your Toyota Camry, you would have the key on in the accessories position, and so you can have your radio on. Do this in a parking space before you leave your house to be able to do this. Now you can hit the call button, or you can go into setup. So you can either go into setup, hit Bluetooth, and then you can connect a phone this way, or you can actually just hit this button, and which is the call symbol button over there, and you can hit yes, you would like to add a phone. This is telling you what you should be looking for when you go to hook up your phone. So on your phone, you can scroll down your menu. And then if you hold your Bluetooth options, it'll open it up. It'll search for the available devices. And then you can see we're looking for the car multimedia. We go ahead and hit connect. And then it's going to come up here and say, can we pair with that? And you're going to hit OK. And it's saying that the connection was successful. It will also ask if you want to download your contacts to the car, so you can do that. I didn't, but you can do that now. So that's how you hook your phone up to your car. Then you can dial the phone number of who you would like to call. Then you can hit the call button and you can make that phone call. And then if it's in your history, and if you had your contacts in here, you could just scroll through and find a phone number to call, or you can have your phone book, your whole contact list, and hit contacts and you could scroll through. But say you're done, you're leaving, if you rented the car, or if it was a friend's you were borrowing and you wanted to get your phone off of it, you can go into setup. You could go to the wrong one. You go into setup, you can go to general, and you can say delete your personal data, and then you can hit that. Are you sure you want to delete? And you hit yes. And now if you went back into phone, there's no phones hooked up anymore because we deleted the phones. You can go into Bluetooth, and you can go back to that's where you can check that there are no phones hooked up to this car anymore because we deleted our phone source. You can also, in there, you can go into setup and you can hit phone here, and if there were phones in here, you can go into the phone book and you can individually disconnect phones from it, and that's how you do that. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.